preparation, procedure, mga holding time ng bawat items. So, ayun. Tapos mga coffee treatments and everything. So, imagine 33 topics. And I had just, finish yung done items. Hopefully, matapos ko din siya agad. So, ayun. Darating ko sa bahay. Sobrang nakakapagod kasi yung ginawa ko is more on training lang ng online. Imagine, 32 modules, tapos maghapon 8 hours ang nakaupo. Tapos nagsasagot-sagot lang ako ng mga questions. Exam, nakakaloka, nakakapunta ng utak. Because for me, it's better mag-on floor ka kaysa mag-exam. Nasa ka sa oral. And then, mabait naman sila lahat. So yung anak ni ating bunso. Ayan. So, tatapos ang ating one day today. So, at least, okay na tayo today. Supervisor. So, ayan. Okay naman siya. That's my first day. And tomorrow, mag-aano ulit kami. Another training tomorrow, but it's all about handling machines and troubleshooting. So I think it will be easier. No problem, but I'm just only lazy to keep on reading. Parang ang bigat sa katawan magpasa and everything. Pero it's okay. I did my first day today. Congratulations and happy Valentine's to all.